Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to set up NordVPN with Chrome extension. Going incognito is an option, but even top browsers like Chrome can track your online activity. With the NordVPN Proxy extension for Chrome, private browsing is just a click away. Installing the NordVPN Proxy extension for Chrome is fast and simple. Just follow these steps. Download VPN Chrome extension from our website, or you can get it from Google Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome button. Chrome might ask you if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension. Then you will receive a NordVPN notification that the extension was added successfully. After the installation is finished, the NordVPN logo will appear on the toolbar in the top right corner of the browser. Click on the NordVPN logo and you will be prompted to either log in or sign up using Nord. Now that you have a VPN for Chrome, let's look at how you can make your first connection and adjust the extension settings to suit your protected status. When you connect to a NordVPN server, this bar will confirm that your connection is successful by displaying the status is protected. Quick Connect, the fastest way to begin using the NordVPN extension. After pressing Quick Connect, you'll immediately connect to a NordVPN server. Search, whereas the Quick Connect option will decide on a server location for you. This option allows you to specify the country of the NordVPN server. Settings, here, you can find your general, connection, security and privacy settings. General, in these settings, you can find your subscription information, application appearance, language preferences, and a function to import and export split tunneling settings. Connection, when accessing connection settings, you can choose to automatically connect to NordVPN servers or add URLs that you wish to be excluded from the NordVPN connection. Security and privacy, here, enable the web leaks option and threat protection. Also, choose to turn on security warnings for suspicious websites. Support assistance. More information about the extension and live chat with an agent option can be found here. Notifications, updates and news about the NordVPN. Main extension window. If you click here, you can open the main extension window. List of recently connected countries. This section displays the countries to which you have established a recent connection. In case you haven't connected to any server yet, you will find recommendations for countries to connect to. And that's it. Enjoy browsing securely using your VPN for Chrome.